Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to tell you the 3 reasons to buy the Philips Sonicare 4100 electric toothbrush. So reason number 1, it has 2 power levels. Press it once, press it again, and it's got a higher level. The second one, it's got a 2-minute timer, and it also has quadrant timer. That's going to tell you when it's time to change quadrant and when you're completely finished brushing your teeth after 2 minutes. The next one, it has a pressure sensitive setting. So if you're brushing too hard, it's going to give you immediate feedback to let you know you're pressing too hard on your teeth. Now let's go over everything in the box. Here's the charging base. You are going to have to plug this into a USB wall outlet. There it is. This is completely waterproof. It's easy to take the brush heads on and off. You're simply going to press them on. It's okay for there to be just a little bit of a gap there. There's 2 lights here. There's an indicator to let you know when it's time to change the brush head. And then there's also a battery. Once this is fully charged, you can use this twice a day for up to 28 days. That's a long time, so you don't always have to keep it on the charger. Put your charger somewhere else, and now you just got an electric toothbrush here ready to go for 28 days. So it has a little stand. If you place it on the table, the brush head's not going to, and it's not going to roll, and it's not going to sit on the table. So again, let's go over the features. Okay, this has got a really nice, just press the power button, it turns it on. Press it again, there's the low setting. Low, there's high. It's going to remember where you left it last time you turned it on. Now the timer is going to be a short beep and a short pause to let you know to move to different quadrant. And then at the end of the 2 minutes, it turns the toothbrush off automatically. So again, there's what it looks like. It's just a vibration. It will only go one way, so just kind of put the brush head on there and it'll go down right there. You want that? The bristles lined up with the power button. So it does have an easy start feature which is going to gradually increase the pressure or increase the vibration for 14 days. You can activate, that comes activated. You can deactivate it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now for these next steps, you will need the base unit and you will need it plugged in and charging. So when you charge it, you get a small beep and a small vibration that lets you know that it's charging. Okay, if you want to deactivate that easy start, again, on the charger, you're going to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. Then did you hear those beeps? That tells you it went low, medium, and then high means that the feature is activated. Now let's just do it, reverse it. And then it tells you that it's deactivated. It's a little tricky to hear, but if you first hear a low, medium, and high, means it's activated. If it's reverse, high, medium, then low tone, that means it's deactivated. And the battery indicator will blink amber 1 time to confirm deactivation. That's even harder to see down there. Now, if you want to activate the brush head replacement reminder, you're going to hold the power button with it on the charger for 5 seconds. There. So when you hold it for 5 seconds, you hear 2 beeps followed by the tones. And a low, medium, and high means the brush head replacement reminder has been activated, and just the opposite means it will be deactivated. The battery indicator will blink 2 times to confirm activation. Now we're going to do the pressure sensor. If you want to deactivate that pressure sensor, we're going to hold it for 7 seconds. So did you hear it beeped? So the longer you hold it, then it buzzes 3 times. Then it does the chime to let you know whether it's activated or not. So a triple tone of low, medium, and high means the pressure sensor has been activated. If it reverses itself, high, medium, and low means it's been deactivated. Now let's go over brushing. You are supposed to push it onto your teeth where the bristles do. You don't want it so much like that, but you do want it up against, and you are going to be doing a motion like this, a little bit, but not like a scrubbing motion with a normal toothbrush. Okay, so that vibration can take some getting used to. I do recommend having that easy start. So let's just make sure that that's activated. Let's put it on the charger. A little hard for me to check the tones, so I'm going to watch the green light this time. So the green light is charging, but now I'm going to hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, so that means it's deactivated. I want to activate it. Okay, see how I had 2 quick flashes of the green? That means it's activated, so I definitely want that to be activated. Yeah, high is pretty high. And again, remember, if it's within 15 seconds, it remembers where you left off. Let's go over the pressure setting. Oh, I think I deactivated that. Yeah, we got to hold it for 7 seconds. Okay, so now it's activated. The green light means activated. The amber light means deactivated. So now it's activated. Yeah. So when you press too hard, you get that du-du-du-du. You can really feel it in the handle. It's a different vibration. So now it is activated. Okay, so with it on its charging base, 10 inches, you know, the charging base itself is right at about almost 1 7/8 inches. It does say 0.3 amps, 1.5 watts max, 4.7 to 5.25 volts. And the toothbrush itself is right around 9 inches. Now it comes with 1 brush head and it's a model C2. Now if we look at a chart, C2 is for optimal plaque control. It's soft. And it's for plaque control. They've got gum care, they've got whitening. These are all the different ones you can get. Yeah, the C1 is a medium, C2 is soft, C3 is medium, S is for sensitive, it's soft, G2 is extra soft, G3 is medium, diamond, you got a W, diamond is a medium, you have another diamond whitening, all-in-one, the A3 is an all-in-one and it is soft. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.